Getting the best online payday loan provider is essential, just as is keeping your financial matters in an optimistic flow. Communication is very important between customer and loan provider. When taking out a payday loan, you ought to feel at ease asking questions at any time throughout the loan term. 10 great questions to request of an online payday loan customer representative. 1. What are the fees on my loan? The fee should only be billed to the initial loan and is put into the loan amount and paid off at the end of the term. No upfront costs. 2. When does the rate of interest get billed to my account? Rates of interest start accumulating if you don't pay the loan off at the finish of the first term. 3. Do the rates for my loan fall within the regulation guidelines of my state? Look for a payday loan provider who'll work within state guidelines. 4. What are the costs billed for paying my loan off early? No good loan provider will punish you for paying off your loan entirely earlier than expected. 5. Would you offer any kind of extension or rollover program if I cannot pay my loan promptly? Educate yourself about your options should you not be able to make your full payoff payment. Most lenders will work with you. 6. What should I do if I am unable to make my payment? Give your lender a call as quickly as possible. Your payment could be rescheduled in order to save you an overdraft fee. 7. How can I be sure that my document is going to be secured? To begin with, if you are speaking to a live customer representative, you can begin having faith in that organization. Some lenders don't have phone numbers. Take that as a warning sign. The bank statement direct deposit may be used to verify your earnings. The way you send it is your choice, but understanding that a real human being is on the other end of the phone talking to you about the application, which is a sign of a reliable company. Documentation verification will safeguard you against anybody trying to use your information for a loan fraudulently. 8. What's the average time for payment? Payday loans are established to be paid off entirely with your next paycheck. Most loans average about 2 weeks. The customer representative works along with you to set up a suitable date for repay. 9. Will this loan affect my credit? Online payday loan companies don't investigate your credit report for loan approval, nor is the loan amount reported to credit agencies as long as you are making payments towards it. Should you default on your loan, it will likely be sent to collections, which will adversely affect your credit. 10. How quickly can I get my money? Most loan companies have the ability to transfer your money to you within 24 hours on bank business days. Companies who are able to promise money in minutes may appear inviting, but be careful of predatory lenders who wish to close the deal quickly before you change your mind. Payday loan lending companies are located online pretty easily. Take some time to consider a few different companies in order to locate one who will communicate well, follow guidelines, and charge low fees.